Repeat after me. No 2, 3 in 1. Coffee! Hey guys. Welcome to my channel, and today tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng sarili nyong coffee without relying sa 3-in-1 and sa expensive coffee machine. Why? Why would you make your own coffee? Sa akin personally, it just tastes better versus 3-in-1, and another thing is meron kang control sa amount ng sugar na gusto mong ilagay sa inyong coffee. On average, I spend around 7 pesos per day for my coffee needs. Halos parehas lang sa 3-in-1 kasi ganun din naman yung cost ng 3-in-1. To get started, you only need 3 things. First is coffee dripper. Now this one is called B House Coffee Dripper. Yan. And pwede kayo makabili nito through Shopee or sa mga Daiso. And this costs around 100 to 200 pesos. Next is coffee filter. Yan. Makakabili kayo niya ng pack sa mga sa Shopee or sa Daiso. Yan. Ang cost din niya is 100 to 200 pesos. Next is yung coffee grounds. Ito yung tricky kasi it can go from really cheap and really expensive, really quick. And sa mga cheap options, medyo hindi ganun kaganda yung quality niya. Yung pinaka cost-effective option na nakita ko is from 7-Eleven. Coffee grounds from 7-Eleven. Now, this video is not sponsored by 7-Eleven. Gusto ko lang to kasi hindi siya ganun kamahal. Now, this one cost 185 pesos. Ilang grams ba to? For 250 grams na nito eh. Kung meron kayong ma-recommend na ganito same amount of grams and nandito sa price range, please comment it below para naman matry ko sila. Careful na ako. Hindi na ako sasabi ng so. Proceed tayo on how to prepare your coffee. First step is to put yung inyong coffee dripper on top of your mug and then your coffee filter inside ng coffee dripper. After that, mag-add lang kayo ng 1 to 2 teaspoon of coffee grounds dito sa coffee filter. Tapos nun, gradually add hot water in a circular motion. Yan, hanggang mag-fill up sa top yung water, pero huwag nyo hayaang mag-overflow. Then, wait for about 2 to 3 minutes or until na mag-subside yung water. And there you go! That's it! That's how simple to prepare your own coffee at home. You can add creamer, milk, or sugar if you want. Pero for me personally, I want my coffee black without anything else. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you like this content. Kung meron kayong content na gusto nyong gawin ko, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!